Good morning and welcome to the morning summary video. Just going through what we think might happen today and what we're looking for. Today is obviously Thursday the 29th of July, so coming very close to the end of the month. So let's take a quick look to start with at the major dollar pairs. We do have some news out this morning, not a lot. We have nationwide HPI from the UK, so we are expecting a bit of a move on the market come 7 o'clock, which is 30 minutes time, and we will be opening up the live room just before to get that all sorted and see if there are any positions we can get into. As you can see from euro dollar, again, today we really are struggling. We've failed to break out of this level 3 days on the trot. Now, I'm not saying we're not going to break it now. All I'm saying, we have a zone, we have a range. We have a range between 130.50 and 129.50. We need to see a break of one of these levels to trigger any trades. And at the moment, that is what I'm waiting for. If we get a break up through 130.50, I'll be looking to go long. If we break down through 129.50, I'll be looking to go short. And as things stand, I'm just going to leave it at that. I have no other view on this pair. She's sitting in this little range. You can see the daily candles just holding themselves back. No real direction on this pair at this moment in time. And it may well end up being a case of, well, the next couple of weeks, or over the next week until non-farm payroll, that she just sits in this position. I hope it's not going to be that case, but we do have to understand that we are getting very, very tired up here. Or potentially we're just waiting for the big buyers to come back into the market. Okay. So to start with, we have a level of 130.50 and 129.50 on euro dollar. Let's quickly have a look at sterling. Again, pound dollar really hasn't been that exciting either. She has broken through this 50% daily fib, which was obviously around that 155.55 level. But now, as you can see, remaining above this level, trading up at 156.12 and holding on to this level as hard as she can. At the moment, though, not pushing ahead like we would like to see, and in fact, if you look at the previous 2 days trading, you can see, yesterday's trading, you can see she just sat in this range all day yesterday, although she has created lower lows at every point, so that indicates that we are going to continue with moves higher. Okay, I actually am afraid I have no bias to long or short at the moment. However, Mike will keep you up to date with his strategy. Now, on sterling yen and euro yen, we have had the major breakout, as you know, through 135.60, and we are now pulling back into or around this level towards the 4-hourly 20. Now, this is where I get excited with baby silver crosses, because if we start seeing baby silver crosses back up now, we are playing into the zone to be able to trade long, and you'll see why from this daily chart. Pulling back, once we've broken not only the daily 20 but also the weekly 20, we're now just looking at a little consolidation zone on top of this. This for me is now getting very, very exciting, and a break back through daily pivot should trigger a move to push up towards, well, let's have a look, towards 138, 139, 142. I mean, it could be a very large move indeed, so I'm keeping my eye on that. On euro yen, put her on the daily chart, just have a quick look. As you can probably see here, euro yen broke through our resistance level at 113.30, and yesterday pulled back onto that level and now starting to hold strong here. So again, baby silver cross to the upside, and I will be looking for long plays. I'm not really paying attention to short positions at the moment unless we see a clean set below this support level, and as of yet we have not seen that. We are still supporting upon it, so therefore my bias remains for long positions once we can get the baby silver cross back up to the upside. Okay, moving on to dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, I'm afraid, for me, yes, she has just had a major silver cross, and I can see that very, very clearly. But look at this support running up. My biggest problem here is the way she likes to move on these 4-hourly charts. She likes to move down, pull back up, give you a huge pullback, then pop down again. Again, you wouldn't have expected a pullback like this, but she does. She pulls back right into the zones where your stop losses will be. And for that reason, at this moment in time, I'm taking this as consolidation before the next fall. So for me, I'm looking for a possible short trade to be coming in the next couple of hours, and I will be looking to get short to play down towards the 0-0 level. Okay, so towards 103. That's a 50-point move at the moment. It could even go down as low as 102.50, taking it to a 100-point position. Anyway, I'll keep you up to date with that. Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar's had a decent pullback. We are now sort of skirting into the territory of possibly being able to get long with the trend. Don't forget the trend is up. And with a major silver cross looking like she might come in today, we could well be in a good position to be getting long and building up towards 90.60 again. I'll keep you up to date. Again, this is something I'm very, very keen on today, so do keep your eyes on Aussie dollar. Dollar Swiss. Dollar Swiss moved up to the daily 20, failed to break through her. We have consolidated. We did have a cheeky short yesterday, made about 1%. Now looking for her to really gather some momentum to the south, and that would have to come from a major silver cross to the south. We may well have to look for further trades today from baby silver crosses, but as things stand at this moment in time, there is no clear entry on this trade to get short. Okay, so I'll keep you up to date, but as of yet, there is nothing available on dollar Swiss or just on dollar Swiss, but on euro yen, sterling yen, we have potentials as we do on dollar CAD and Aussie dollar. So we're talking Aussie dollar, dollar CAD, euro yen, sterling yen, all baby silver cross trades, and I will keep you up to date over the next couple of minutes.